Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you 3 new yogurt salad dressing recipes. For the first dressing, I used fresh basil, pepper, salt, lemon juice, and Greek yogurt. So for this dressing, I am using a pestle and mortar to grind the basil, along with a little bit of lemon juice. If you do not have a pestle and mortar, stick around for a bit. I will show you how you can make this without, but I do prefer this method because it brings out the flavors a bit more. After grinding the basil, add the yogurt and season it with salt and pepper. Here I am adding some additional basil. The other way of making this is by combining all the ingredients in a blender or a food processor. Do bear in mind that when you use a blender, it won't be as thick as when you use a pestle and mortar. For the next dressing, I used apple cider vinegar, lime juice, star anise powder, cumin powder, salt, honey, and of course, Greek yogurt. Do the yogurt at both spices. Add apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. Of course, I'm adding the lemon juice and the vinegar for the flavor, but I'm also adding it because I want this salad dressing to be a little bit more liquid. So if you like a thicker salad dressing, you can either omit those 2 ingredients or you can use less. Here I'm adding honey and salt. Last but not least is this rich and creamy dressing. For this, I used Greek yogurt, dill, pepper, salt, and avocado. Start with mashing the avocado. Then add the yogurt. If you don't want it to be that creamy, you can add lemon juice to this dressing. And these are the 3 dressings. If this video was helpful to you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.